Hello, welcome back to another organization from the planner, and this time I will go a little more in deep in other part of my planner for the week, because like I mentioned before, some things are already done, so we only will mention really quick on this video. I will talk about how I organize my cleaning. I think I mentioned before, but I will go ahead again. At the beginning of my planner of the month, this planner, that is a plum paper, has divisions here that I made especially for my cleaning days. Every day is organized for specific cleaning things that I want to do. In that way, I really touch a lot of things that are important for my little house, and I don't have to repeat. Sometimes, yes, like summer, we get the floors more wet with the dog going in and out in the little pool, so the floors get dirty, and I have 2 days sometimes in the week for cleaning my floor. I divide this in this way. For Monday, I made sure to wipe down appliances, my coffee bar, that is a little station where I have my coffee maker, things that I need for that. Spider webs, I go just with my duster and cleaning all the spider webs around the house, and then I organize my closet, and in that way also I check if it's something that I really am not using on, and put in my donation bag. For Tuesday, I have cleaned my pantry. That is used to be a mat room and now it's a pantry too, so I get a lot of dust and I make sure to clean that. Wood and desk, every furniture that is wood, I make sure to clean them, and my desk because it's also wood. The entrance is also my bookcase area. Being in the entrance, you can imagine how much dust you get opening and closing that door. So I make sure to clean that on Tuesday. And I changed the towels, all the towels of the house. I make sure to change. Of course, if the towel get dirty or something in the week, we change that day. But like, I take all the towels, kitchen towels, bathroom towels, everything, and I just put on the laundry. Wednesday, I sweep and mop the floors, and of course also I vacuum when it's needed. I do mirrors and glass, every mirror and glass, but no windows, windows is separate. Baseboards, I try to pick one room at a time, every week, and I go and clean all the baseboards of that room. It's a small house, so I can have the luxury to rotate without getting a lot of dust in few days, and organize my planner. This one, maybe I will change this, because if we are going to be doing this video, it will be easy for me to organize my planner on time, or just to do the video on that time. On Thursday, I shred papers. If we have documents and everything that it will be going to the garbage the next day and need to be shredded, I shred the papers, and I divide between the ones that go to my composter to the ones that go to the garbage. Put away the garbage, clean the lamps. I pick one room, clean the lamps in that room. Next week I pick another room and clean the lamps in that one. Clean hot spots. That is, every room has a little corner or something that may accumulate dust, or things get together there. This is a small house, and sometimes you don't have a space for anything and you keep accumulating, and it's better to take care of those spots. Dinner table, I like to put new flowers if possible, and change the tablecloth to make it look more fresh. Change sheets, I change the sheets of my bedroom on this day. A garden, like a bigger garden work on Fridays, and enjoy it and relax. It depends on the weather, how it's going to. Clean laundry room. While I go to do my cleaning, I like to also sweep, clean the machines, use cleaner that is especially for the machine. So not every time the cleaner, I do once every month. And on Saturday, aquarium cleaning. I do a very light cleaning, and if it's every month, I do also change of filters and that kind of thing. Clean one window, I pick one window, I clean that one. The next week I pick another. I don't have a lot of windows, so it's easy for me. Clean the bathtub, they need to have a pretty deep clean sometimes, so I do that day. And restock. I mean, if I need to restock laundry soaps and that kind of thing, I go and refill hand soap and that kind of things for the bathroom, the kitchen, the laundry. And on the coffees, if I see that we went through coffee so fast, I put more coffee, sugar, that kind of thing. And Sunday is my day just for the church. Sometimes I think I can put things that I would like to accomplish on those days, like read book and stuff like that. I just left there. So next let's go to the beach. On my Monday, as you can see, I have selected where is my work time, my vitamins. Every Monday I try to weigh myself, and I put this symbol of like a rosary when I wanna remember what I want to pray for that day. I was adding also this week a little picture camera there to remember what I will be posting on that day. I have my cleaning base of my Monday cleaning. This is for my activities, like remember to drink more water. I'm trying to lose weight and sometimes it's not easy, and I'm also trying to get more active, so this is for steps, how active I am, my calories, how I've been feeling that day. Here is for how many floors I went up. This is my cardio to know my heart rate, and this is for how many hours I sleep. I usually write there S for sleep and F for floors. This part I usually take for my Bible reading, so I put what chapter of the Bible I am, as I have shown before, and I just write there. And I'll depend if I have a holiday or something that I want to celebrate here, I just do this part, maybe short, but I have something else that I will do celebrating, and I wanna the day, and I wanna remember that. For Monday, I have Saint Jean Francis de Chantal, patrons of the widows, wives, and mothers. So that's for Tuesday, I have a birthday. I marked there the birthday of one of my cousin sons that is there. I still marking my work time, and here I don't have any celebration. What I can do usually is, if I want, I just write all my Bible reading here. Maybe something happened special and I feel this, so I just keep myself there. Wednesday, I have another birthday celebrations. I have Saint Maximilian Kolbe, patron of saints of the addicts, those on recovery from addiction, prisoners' families, and he was firm believer of the Virgin Mary, and it recommends that you wear the miraculous medal if you can. Spend time with Mary. Make a, like you can make also, if you have kids, like a rosary for this day. Let me show you something. Okay, sorry, my dog decided to chew a bone there. If you have kids, you can create some kind of rosary like these ones with little leaves and pine cones and little woods or something, just to have fun and teach the kids about the rosary. So for Maximilian Kolbe, it say like write letters to prisoner, read a star following journalists, spend time with Mary, wear a miracles medal. Miracles medal. That would be one nice option. And this one, I cooking with saints. I found a recipe that is Kisona Kapusta soup. It's a sauerkraut soup, for what it say, and it's something related to I think the area where Maximilian Kolbe was from, and it has a recipe and everything. I'm not sure that I will do this sauerkraut soup, but I'm just giving you ideas of what else can be done on that day. You can read about the story of him, and also if you have a little medal you can put in just to remember about him. And these little cards also have the date of each one of the patrons here that I mentioned before, and like I say, I will add the links of all these items at the end of the video in the description. Oh, for Saint Jane Frances of Chantal, let me see, I think I have here is, I will just read about her. It's a WAF mother, religious founder of the religious community, patron of the widows, wives, and mother. So I will read more about her, and because it's nice to celebrate and all these saints that did amazing things for Jesus. Okay, for God. Thursday is Assumption of Mary. This holiday I am off, so I don't have work, and I put these little things from my church bulletin that say that is mass at 9 a.m. in English, 7 p.m. is a bilingual mass. And I do this because depending what time I wake up and everything, I will mark there that I am going to this mass. It's for this one I found information on the Catholic All-Year Compendium, and I also found on Living the Seasons, and it has also activities for adults and little kids if you want to make like little cloud, make a herbs garden, take a nap, bring a treat. And then let's see, I think wasn't this one too? Solemnity of the Assumption of Blessed Mary. There's more information also in this one, that is the companion book of the Catholic days, and it has more information, and it has a prayer there that I will use. You can pause there and take a picture if you want for the prayer, and also ways to celebrate that day. I will always obviously be going to church. It's like one of the feasts of obligation for Catholics. On Friday 16, I have no special celebrations for anything, birthdays or nothing. So I have just the regular what to do. No schedule there because depending on what time I wake up. And all this is clear. I can be like, I do all Bible reading here, or maybe I took a picture of something interesting and I want to remember, I can put there. So it's free to do whatever I want. The same on this day. I am requesting that day off too. I wanted to have 3 days off. I always select few days off every month. And it's no celebrations or anything special, so I have all these for myself. And then Sunday I have nothing here because I will not do any task. I can use all these if I want for Bible reading or anything that I want. And here I have my schedule. I work only a few hours. I think it doesn't clear there, but it's until 9:30 actually. This was my old hours. Oh, I will be doing bookkeeping, so it changed a little. So that's how it's going. And after that I go to church. And if I have anything else to share about church, usually I put here like I do every Sunday. Let's get This was a Sunday. I have all the reading there of my Bible study here, what happened on Mass, what I did here. It can be so different from one to another every Sunday, so all depend on what you want to do. It is like having a nice, happy planning or day to have fun. So that's how it is. So this is my planning for this week from August 12th to '18. I hope it was clear, and like I said, sadly I have everything pre-made. I try to go ahead a little farther, so if I have any plan, it's ready there. But I will begin to do it more slow with you in the future, because I think after the 18 I still have a little things that I can do with you. Yeah, I haven't go in so much detail, but we will plan that. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and I see you in my next video.